And then Emma try use craft by saying, oh, if him did want to expose Ashley, him couldn't do it a long time, bad man. Him couldn't do it because back then everybody would have known say him do it. So he wait out till everybody gets steal out with Fabi and realize that if the little
It's
Fabi
crazy
prank
because it
them
doesn't make any sense because him and I didn't even have any beef. And that's the thing that's weird. Like, him and I didn't even have no beef. Like, it was done. It was dead. You were there. I was here. That's that. So the fact that people even believe that I would still be so vengeful. Like, what? It's weird, bro.
So the prank then where Emma do with Fabi get steal and do every prank man could do.
Yeah. Like, they're sidetracking the conversation so badly. They're like, I've even heard people say that I'm just mad because he ain't coming back. My nudes are out there. I'm mad because my nudes are out there. That's what the conversation is about. Y'all are not gonna reroute the conversation. That's the only thing that matters. Don't believe nothing they say, bro. Dummies.
Can I check it now? They must sidetrack it.
First of all, I'm a black woman, so you already know that you ain't stand a chance in the world because of that alone. Second of all, I have a smaller platform. Don't stand a chance because of that alone. Third of all, y'all are brainwashed under witchcraft or whatever the hell y'all is on by this man. So that's why I'm not even trying to go. I ain't going on no press tour on TikTok. I ain't joining no box. No, because I already know that everybody's gonna be against me. I'm not gonna sit up there and defend myself to nobody. Bring the proof that you have to court. That's the only thing that matters. Court only deals with proof. No talking, no whatever story you remember. Where's the proof? That's the only thing the court cares about. You can't come and tell no story with nothing else to back it. Come chat a whole heap of story about I did this and I did that. Picture what we're talking about right now.
And then look pan the same on Fabi. Everybody realized say the prank they with Fabi. The man do every prank what he could do with Fabi. And do the beating prank and do all breakup prank, cheating prank, and he realized that get still now. So and see say he couldn't try if he bring up another mix up with Ashley, so he draw back for an old video, shoot them out and time them the right way so it look bad for Ashley that. Is it? I just that the man I use craft pound and tell him, oh, me gonna expose her a long time. Right, why more than choose? Because you do it now because you start to fall off, bro. You see it, nobody in the business about the look of Fabi prank them again, dog. So you realize the only thing go active up the place now is if you come up with a next mix with Ashley, dog. Is it? That's that bad, man. People them fool. And most of them I get brainwashed by TikTok lawyer. As she over there so block the people. Cause alright, Mountain go up in the box. Them say Mountain say anyway have the video with the what you call it, the makeup brush thing in her body. Mountain say him have the videos in. And all of a sudden now when Jayden say, oh Mountain, why you say that? It look like say a PR thing, bro. Cause alright, check it now. Mountain same have the video. Then all if a joke Mountain run, right? As when him same have the video. All if a joke him run. Why when Jayden page him go change up in talk? Big man thing, bro. Why if Mountain run joke, right? Let me say Mountain run joke and him now have the video. If him run joke, why him wouldn't go up in a TikTok lawyer box and then switch up him mouth and say, oh, I don't have it anymore. Like if you are on joke and you know say a joke can run, why somebody can't come tell you what you saying when
trying to fame this fake narrative about his life is in danger, and he's not gonna do anything. Mountain came on live and said that he doesn't give a F about the psychological effects that this picture or him exposing anyone's nudes has on anybody. He doesn't care about the psychological effect that it will have on children. He literally admitted to all those things. So why does Mountain care so much about somebody's life and all this stuff right now? Mountain, you're a liar. You get money. Tell us the truth.
Mountain they on a payroll.
That's the only thing you have to say. You don't care about the psychological effect that this has on me, on my child, on my family, on my opportunities to get work and to just live a normal life. You don't care. So what you don't care about that from a woman. You love man too, bro. Because you do care about those things.
Everybody sees Mountain
is all those pages, yeah. Mountain is also Carrie Bloop. Moon 10 is all of them. He only came out with his face on Moon 10 because he knew he wanted to keep those other ones anonymous so that he could do all the shady shit he wanted to do over there and only take accountability for whatever happens on Moon 10. That's that. Because if Moon 10 drops everything, why everything that leaks he dropped? So why didn't he drop my nudes? He didn't put them on there because he knew that was gonna cause some problem. He knew that. He dropped it on the other website that he hides behind with so-called no face. You already know that.
I'm sure actually Moon 10 come up on Jayden Live and say him have leaks. Him have leaked video with Donia, King Donia, cause King Donia usually post send girl in a Snapchat, him leak them. But him say him not post the leak them with Donia because him message Donia and Donia say don't post it. So why him never message you? Why him can't message Donia? Because of money him a look, bro.
I've never been in no contact.
You see, him claim if he say him message people first before him leak them. And he message Donia. Him say him have things with Donia. But all now we can't see the thing then with Donia because him have Donia upon a payroll every month. Donia have to give him piece of food. You see it? Him say him have things with all heap of big TikToker but him not post them. Why him not post them? But him can post a 14-year-old girl I get them head crushed out with hammer. Him can post up all type of minor. Him can post up Rosalie. But him not post up the rest of TikTok and then we are gonna pay him. But through Ashley, him know say Ashley not gonna pay him because Ashley on a big ranker. So him try if he use Sykes dog for the people them if he try convince him say oh him a good smarty oh him no leak people and I call Ashley this him in leak her. Bro on a fool dog. Him dip on a payroll the whole of them.
Then he tried to show me up talking about if I apologize he takes it down. What is that supposed to mean? Apologize to you for what? For what do I have to apologize to you for? For telling you to fuck off?
And want to use it as a power play.
You said, oh, Ashley said F Moon 10, so I'm not taking it down. If she apologizes, I'll take it down. What? Bro,
the whole reason why you even say
it's not going to do anything for me, because it's already out there. From the moment you put it out there for 10 minutes, it's out there. You taking it down and doing shit for me again. I ain't apologizing for nothing. What am I supposed to apologize for?
I actually remember, the first time they post the video with the backers when Jayden freed the girl in her body. Then first thing come out and say
that's what court is for. I ain't gotta prove nothing to you. You is nobody. Where?
Remember first thing come out and say, oh, the video of Fabi. Then Moon 10 changed the title. Oh.
Exactly. He didn't even verify if it was her or me.
Exactly. She say, man, a shaky source from your can't post a video and say, oh, a Fabi. And then you change back your mind. Oh, I know Fabi, Ashley. Then you change back your mind again. Oh, I know the two of them. Our next mother, a big C. Then you change up again, and a big C, a Paris. Then you tell the people you don't know who, bro. That means you're a big hypocrite, dog. You can't trust you, bro. That means somebody a pay behind the scene to change and try to make themselves look good, dog. You see it? And then when Moon 10 dip on the live, they might try to say, oh, Moon 10 owe Jayden an apology. Moon 10 give them a rebuckle and say, oh. So why me have to apologize when Bookie back up on Zuma? Jayden come on live and say Bookie a Batman and Ray and put Bookie life in danger said way because I'm trying to make Bookie look like Batman. Them tell him, man, oh, we not talk about that. Change back the topic. We're not talking about when Jayden in danger Bookie life. Change the topic again, bro. So the whole of them are put a narrative straight. Them not make nobody talk. Them only a look pan when it look bad for
and y'all want me to go on there? Y'all literally want to send me in there to go fight up against 10, 8, whatever people they put up in the box, and the people in the comments that are already picked the sides. What kind of sense does that make? I ain't going on no platform that ain't neutral. Nah, I don't even want you to be on my side. I want you to be neutral.
Right now, if you go over there, then go use BM Mind Games, and anytime you try to make a point, they go change back the topic and say, we're not talking about that. We're talking about this. They go program it. It even makes sense. They want to then go program it and block the people them we are try to put out some good points in the chat and go just block them. You see it? Right now, me see that girl they named TikTok lawyer, they live. People are coming up in that box and I try to reason why Jayden could be wrong.
If you didn't know you're going to hell, you're on the wrong side of history, but you're doing the wrong thing. And you're doing the wrong thing so proud, loud and freaking wrong.
Then if you ask Jayden who in the video, cause oh you have a girl from Backers and you don't know who. Then why you can't call the name of the girl where you have from Backers? Why? You don't know who you have from Backers? That don't make sense, bro. Him know who the girl do. Him just nobody not ask him that the question. Then.
Ashley Martin, baby.
Nobody's even asking him the question of did you leak Ashley's pictures? Do you know these pictures? Did you have these pictures? Nobody's asking him those questions. You're making it all about him. And y'all are just dismissing that this shit is happening to me, bro. My face is out there with it. And everything.
Ashley Kumarga,
Goedemorgen, Fata.
you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. Your mother love you and your son. I don't want you to do nothing to yourself. I don't want you to be stressed and taking on nothing, sweetheart. Okay, baby? We all make mistakes. Sometimes we take people in our life and we they do certain things. Don't worry, the baby. I'm going to be okay, sweetie. God love you. God love you. He have it for purpose. Should shoot us. Okay? Karma's real, boo-boo. Okay? Stop proving to the world. You do move in silence.
That's the reason why I ain't telling y'all nothing what's happening right now.
Yeah,
Fact
move in
is,
silence. Stop proving to the world because people will come here to hear what you have to say and post it and then will plot against you. It's okay, Baba. Stop
but Fata, you see
on your next move.
if you move in silence, you go look fool because if people are tell lie upon you and you sit down silent,
Listen,
your
one
point not gonna reach.
listen, you have an English mouth and you can defend yourself at any time. People can put things on you, and if you can stand in front of the court and talk your mind, they will give you a hearing about your side. Remember, it's me side, you side, and the court side. Okay? So people can take our opponent and put it out there, but they have a law for it. They do have a law for it, and women gotta start to backing women. Women are bashing women. To be in love with someone and the one that be to be in love with someone not want to respect your boundary and want to do things to you. This thing can make Ashley kill herself. You know,
Nah,
it's
that's
depression.
not nobody. They don't listen. Nobody cares about the psychological effect that this has on me, on my child, on my family, or my ability to look for work in the future. They already said it. There's no point in
Good.
for from these people. No point.
But some of them are big women. Alright, me show you some of the big women them we you see over Jayden live. We are shooting on the place. None of them never come over here and send up a request and ask Ashley not even a question. They just a roll with Jayden tell them. You know see?
Ashley,
And them are
I
woman.
was
For sure.
I was in I wanna say I was in a position like you. I meet a guy that likes me and he flashed me. He flashed my and post me on social media. And the day I was scrolling up on social media and I saw myself. First I was mad, I was hungry, I wanted to do all sort of foolish things to him. But what happened? It's karma reached him fast. He crashed up in his vehicle and he can't walk.
Wow.
Sometimes you gotta leave things to God. God work in the right way. The God work
Right
in the
now,
right way.
son. But
You know
true you
what's
are
crazy,
talking
God is
son.
so
True you are
desperate.
the amount of people, the amount of women that came to me and been like, "Yo, I've been through the same thing." I'm like,
We've
"Yo,
been through the
how
same thing,
the hell
Ashley.
is this still
Ashley, if I say
happening?
to
It's
you,
just
no, you know
normalized,
something,
bro."
Ashley. Ashley, my pussy resemble one of them cockroach. My body, all heavy as it reach out.
Heb je de deur opengelaten? Heb je de deur opengelaten?
For you to stay strong, sweetie. You're not the first and last gonna be in this situation. Okay? Women out here making points for a living.
But
And I know that you have standard and you have a job to maintain. And you have a character to
Fatty, your mic low, your mic muffled.
oh, sorry, my hands is over the mic. Sorry, baby. Okay?
Yeah, what you say?
Sometimes you gotta leave things to God. God working. You will sit here and be sorry for him when things are going bad for him. And
Oh, I
Ashley,
know.
and a thing too, we gotta stop fighting fingers because a man have his phone, a man have his wife with him. You don't know if his wife take the phone and leak it to her phone and leak it out. Some
No,
them too
no, no.
much.
Fata, we not play that game there with him, you know. I him put out the video. Nobody never leak the video. If somebody leak the video, if him have a girl and the girl get him phone and leak the video, him still responsible. Cause him get why him have Ashley thing them still in our
Listen,
iPhone.
Right.
So we
everyone
not
have
play that game there. We not game no benefit and no
no,
doubt. And karma, we
I'm
work
sorry.
karma
Let me
business.
tell you something.
Right now we not
Thing.
game no benefit and no doubt,
Listen,
dog. We not try to give
we
him man
are.
too much benefit and the
Listen,
doubt, bro. Look how long
listen.
Ashley there and I try
My
to wait
game.
for karma, dog. And
Okay,
karma
my
now
game
work,
is a
dog. A
serious thing.
badness,
Listen,
yo, a badness.
listen.
Come like we have to start push badness, dog. Cause right now the whole karma thing now gonna
Okay,
work, bad
listen,
man. We tired
listen,
to wait
man.
upon karma,
My
dog. Right now we
game
need to
are
get
different.
active, dog.
What about the day somebody come out and say they're the one that put it out? What about the day somebody come out on TikTok and say they put it out? You have to wait and watch the scene.
Wait, power. TikTok is a 9-day talk.
But my
Wait,
instinct,
power.
let me tell you what instinct is telling me. My instinct is telling me is someone close to him let it out.
So why him can't come out and say watching someone close
Maybe
to him
he
leak
give
it up? Why
everybody
he can't get
phone. You
that?
don't know who he give you phone to.
But what
So
you
maybe
mean we
somebody
don't
phone-
know? What you mean we don't know? A big influencer like that, you go
They
get
do
anybody
listen.
a
We
phone.
can't point fingers. We gotta
We have to
can't.
point fingers. We have to point fingers for the car. We are trying to find out what going
But
on.
that's why you gotta
Have to know.
wait and watch and see what's gonna be the reaction of people. You have to look.
But
You can't sometimes you put
Let me
his
say
phone
this,
down and
right?
somebody
Fata,
take it
right
off
now
his
we
phone.
Fata TikTok is a
I
9-day
wanna
talk.
listen. I want to
If
say
you sit
this because
down,
I feel like nah. I said I wanted to say this because I want to clear somebody's name up because people are always talking about I call him Slime or whatever. Slime has no involvement with any of this, as far as I know. He's never seen me and such man do anything in the bedroom to know what was going on in our bedroom. So I don't need to be pulling in Slime or anybody else that had nothing to do with that. So Slime, my apologies to you if I did. I cannot find the screen recording of me calling up your name, and I like watching back the playback. It takes too damn long. So anyway, Slime has nothing to do with this shit, bro.
that for
Like,
sure say Ashley now look no clout. If a clout
honestly, I
Ashley
haven't
been a
seen,
look, she would have
I
bring
haven't seen
slime in
the
eye.
screen recording. I haven't seen no screen recording of me saying that either. But honestly, slime has nothing to do with this. Bro, I have no problem with slime. Slime and I are cool. Maybe we're not
Ashley,
anymore, but it is. But he
Ashley,
ain't got nothing to do with that.
Ashley, you're smart. You're wise. You're a focused person. Take your investigating very easy. Investigate it more properly. Someone can take it out and leak it out. The truth would sell
But
someday.
Fata,
Trust me.
no Fata. Hold on, Fata.
The light will come to
Fata.
in the dark will come to
Yo,
light
Fata, you know,
eventually.
say